After a very long wait period, VoiceSync is now finally available for iOS. You can use it on both iPhone as well as iPad. In this video, I'll go quickly through how you need to set up VoiceSync iOS application and how you can start using it right away. It is not as simple as you would do with the macOS application where it would work out of the box. It needs some configuration that I'll talk about in this video and some of the things that you can do with the VoiceSync iOS application. So here I have the VoiceSync application on the simulator. I'll click on open and you will go through this onboarding step. I click on get started. If you have already watched this video, then you don't need to watch the video on the onboarding. It is similar, quite similar. So just select what you want to use VoiceSync for, creating a clean readable transcript for chats, emails, etc. Click on continue. Then you'll need to provide microphone permission. Done. Then you will need to enable VoiceSync keyboard. Here's how you can do it. Click on open settings, then go to apps, find VoiceSync, go to keyboard, enable VoiceSync and allow full access option. So just go to options. You will have VoiceSync opened directly. If you don't have it open, you can just go, you have the settings, right? Just scroll down, go to apps and find VoiceSync. Click on keyboards. You'll need to turn on VoiceSync keyboard, then allow full access to VoiceSync keyboard. Perfect. Now go back to VoiceSync and just go through the onboarding again. I need to fix this. Hopefully, by the time you are watching this video, this fixed version will be available on the App Store. But they are a little bit late to review always, so that might take some time. Click on start using VoiceSync, and now here you have the VoiceSync interface where you can use the default VoiceSync settings. After you have used these up, you can bring your own API keys or download local models. Currently, only the NVIDIA's Parakit model is supported for local models. So more support will come in future. Now you can just start recording and this will record. You can select different modes from here. I'll just click on default and now it will use the default mode. This is how you can start recording directly within the app. But the main problem with iOS is how will you use it across other applications? That is by using VoiceSync keyboard that you just configured right now. So I'll just go to home and go to one of the applications here that where I can just type. Let's say, okay, I'll just go to messages, create a new message, and I'll just type over here. So now you'll need to use the VoiceSync keyboard instead of the default keyboard. Click on this globe icon to switch or click and hold on this globe icon. Here you will be able to see all the other options. Click on VoiceSync and here you have this microphone icon, right? Now just click on the gray icon, click on open app and this is some limitation with iOS devices where you can't just start recording from the background. So click on got it. So just go back to the app where you were writing previously. The VoiceSync session will run for 3 minutes by default. You can also configure it to run for longer period of time or run for shorter period of time depending upon whatever you want to do. If you just keep it on, the mic will always be used by VoiceSync, which might drain your battery. This green microphone icon indicator means it is ready to record. So I'll just click on it. Hey, we'll probably meet on next Friday at 10 a.m. What do you think about that? I just stopped it, okay? And here we already have. I just delete it. I'll just record it again. And I'll do it in email format. So I'll just cancel first. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? I just got your report and I'll talk to you next Sunday. And here you can see we have got the result properly. This is really cool. Now you don't need to spend a lot of your time typing, just speak and it will automatically be written by AI. Most of the time it will be as good as you were writing. So there are some other settings within the application as well. This is simple way to use the VoiceSync keyboard in order to type. Click on the green icon, select the modes from here, which you can configure in the settings. Pause or resume the recording. Click on stop to process the recording, and here you have. Okay. Now, the other thing you can do is record directly from the app. Just go to VoiceSync, click on start recording, and now it will record, and you can just select one of the existing modes. If you want to change the mode or add a new mode, you can add a new mode, name it, use a provider. You can use the Apple provider, which is available on iOS 26 only. The VoiceSync default uses Grok provider for now. Then you can also enable post processing. For this also, you will have VoiceSync default option here. But if you want to use others, you can configure the cloud models from here, where you can configure Grok, DeepDump, Cerebrus, and Gemini for now. You can also use local models. Currently, only the Parakit V3 model is supported, and this had some issues in this version, so it will be updated very soon. The App Store approval is a little bit late, so might take a longer time. Then you have the option to change the session duration, which I already have talked about. You have the history over here, where you will be able to see the original transcript and the enhanced version, just like you could see it on the macOS application. And here you have the audio as well. You can also retry the audio with a different mode if you are not satisfied with the previous result. I'll just click on retry, and I selected email mode, and now it is in email mode. If you click on it, it will be copied simply. So this is all about the latest VoiceInc iOS application. If you want to give more suggestions and ideas, you can do it directly via email, or you can join the Discord group as well. I'll provide the link to the Discord group in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great time. Bye.